Oh, hey there YouTube land. Before I start off this video, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody out there for being with us with our tragedy that we had. But big thank you for the car community out there. It's been hard, but also a big thank you to Ashley, Emily, Aaron, Hank, Wiley. A lot of folks out there. Just, you guys have been a big help with helping keep me sane and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been hard. But anyway, I just wanted to say a big thank you to the car community out there. You know, I've been trying to motivate myself and, you know, just trying to get back into it again, and you know, with the people that are out there, you know, that will listen, you know, and just listen to my ramblings every now and then, you know. But big thank you to you guys. You know, it really means a lot to me. Like, you honestly don't know how much it means to me to actually have somebody to ramble to, you know. And you guys out there in the YouTube car community, you know, you YouTubers, you watchers, everything like that, subscribers, just the support's been amazing. You know, I really thank you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've been working on it for a while now. So alright, thank you guys and gals. Well, hey there YouTube land. So down here at the ranch, and I got a little bit of a reveal going on. Now it's something that I picked up a while ago, and at the same time that all that other stuff was going on, so I haven't done a video on it yet. So this is going to be the showing video of it. Picked me up a fire engine, Sutter Basin fire engine. So she's a 1951 GMC Van Pelt. Right there, Van Pelt. So let's do a little walk around here. So it's a big thank you to Jim and his wife down in, well, they were in Redding. I don't remember if they moved yet, and I've had so much stuff going on. And I've been out of basis on a lot of stuff. But yeah, finally got me an engine for the ranch. Numbers are for you guys. I do have a little bit of paperwork that came with it, and then some info. I'll have to find it again though, but yeah, check this out. And this is pretty neat. And with everything going on, I have not had time to do anything with it. But doors open real nice and easy. And check that out. I do not know what motor that is. I want to say it's probably like a Dodge though. Guessing like a 230 Dodge Flathead 6. But yeah, it's a whole engine just by itself, just for the pump. But that closes nice and easy. I'm gonna have to clean up these knobs and everything a little bit so I can get in there. Got the radiator there on the side, but axe holders. But yeah, I definitely gotta come out here sometime, and I gotta grease up the knobs so make it easier for me to get in here. But came with a little bit of hose, 2 hose reels. Yeah, even got a title for it. I'm pretty stoked about that. But even has the squirrel-tail draft line that goes in that holder, which is, it's on the back right now. But yeah, and like I said, big thank you to Jim and his wife for this. This is definitely going to be a regular on my channel. It's going to be a nice little project around the ranch here. Boy, highway sure is busy today. That's unusual for up here. Sorry about the sun glare too. Yeah, HC-473. Let's see, and it's been, let's see if it starts. Let's see if has a little interesting little handle here, but and again, foot starter's back, so it's been sitting for about a month. Oh yeah, she's cold. It's still 6 volt. Got the choke out. So I'm so sorry about the glare that keeps popping up. You know, there is gas in here, so I put a little bit in, well, about a month ago, me and Jim. And both batteries are on. And yeah, it does have a 2-speed on it. Boy. She is not wanting to start today. That's all right. It's like 38 or so degrees out here today. And it's been a while since it's been primed, so you know, probably helps if I have the ignition on, huh? Wow. All right. Oh, there's something going on there. Well then, I guess, well, that's going to be for another tail then. A little bit of a runaway there. It didn't happen before. So, hopefully nobody's been mucking in here since then. But, anyway, it started at least. So, yeah, that's the new edition. So, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to keep an eye on it. So it's this one's not going anywhere. So, all right, anyway, we'll see ya on the next one. Bye. Well, it's not for the video. I just couldn't leave well enough alone. So I pulled me out a can of carb cleaner and stuff. Let's try this again, shall we? So let us try this again. After I smack you guys on the steering wheel. There we go. So, a little bit of carb cleaner. Yeah. So what was happening is it was jamming up right in here where the throttle would keep getting stuck down. So, yeah. But can't bend down too much. So I'm having a little relapse on my back again. Don't know how well you can hear it down there from that far, but yeah. See? She's actually running. And I got a title. Yep. Surprise, huh? I actually bought another vehicle with a title. So. This is going to be a fun project for the ranch. But yeah, a few things with it. I remember them saying is there's a pipe that has a hole in it so it leaks water. And then brakes. Having a big problem with the brakes. They'll pump up, but they won't hold pressure. And for the life of me, I honestly cannot remember why that is. So, is that a hydrovac issue? I can't remember if it has hydrovac on here or not. So, please somebody enlighten me, because I'm drawing a big blank on it again. So it's been a long time since I've done old brakes. Well, I'm not going to do them. I'm going to let somebody else do them. So, alright, anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that. So we'll see you on the next one.